Score 100% easily in maths. Hey guys, welcome to Fusion Learning Hub. Today we're going to be solving a likely JAMB Maths question 2025. This question is from fractions, decimal, and percentages. I'm going to drop the question on the screen while I read the question. A student spent 1 over 5 of his allowances on books, 1 over 3 of the remainder on food, and kept the rest for contingency. What fraction was kept? A 7 over 15, B 8 over 15, C 2 over 3, and D 4 over 5. Follow me, let's analyze the question together. A student spent 1 over 5 of his allowance. It means that he was given allowance and we don't know what the allowance is. So we are going to say let the allowance be x, and this is going to be 1 over 5 times the allowance. This is going to result to x over 5. This student spent 1 over 3 of the remainder on food. We want to find out what the remainder is going to be after the student spent his money on the books. The allowance he was given is x minus the one he spent on books, which is x over 5. When I solve this, I'm going to have take LCM here of 5 and 1. I have 5 over 5 times x, 5x minus x. This is going to give me 4x over 5. That's the remainder after the student spends on books. For the food, they said is 1 over 3 of the remainder, and the remainder is 4x over 5. I'm going to have 1 over 3 times 4x over 5. This is going to give me 4x over 15. That's the amount that the student spends on food. All right, and kept the rest for contingencies. All right, they are asking what fraction was kept. So we want to know how much the student has left. The allowance the student was given x minus the amount he spent on books, x over 5 minus the amount he spent of food, 4x over 15. All right, so I can say over 1 here. When I take the LCM of the denominators, 15, 5, and 1, I'm going to have 15. All right, so when I solve this, 15 divided by 1, 15 times x, I'm going to have 15x here, minus 15 divided by 5 is 3, 3 times x, I'm going to have 3x here, minus 15 divided by 15 is 1, I'm going to have 4x here. This will be equal to 15x minus 3x. That's going to give me 12x. 12x minus 4x. That's going to give me 8x over 15. It means the students kept 8 over 15 of the allowance x. All right, and option B is the correct answer.